Imagine a place where every mountain peak is perfectly pointed, every lake sparkles blue, and every village looks hand-painted. This is Switzerland, a real-life wonderland, crafted with care and bursting with surprises. Trains chug up hills, cows wear jingling bells, and the air is so fresh you want to breathe it in forever. Every corner reveals wildflowers, colorful houses, and rushing streams. Switzerland feels like a happy film set, ready for adventure. Climb mountains, sail lakes, and discover what makes Switzerland so special. It's not just a holiday, it's a world of wonder. Ready for a grand adventure? Let's go. Our first stop is Zurich, where the Limmat River runs clear and old buildings line the banks. Wander the narrow streets, discover unique shops, and drink from fresh fountains. Next, Geneva sits by a vast lake with the Jet d'Eau fountain soaring skyward. It's an international city home to organizations working for peace. Then there's Lucerne, a storybook city with the famous Chapel Bridge and snowy mountains all around. These cities blend history, beauty, and vibrant life, unforgettable places to explore. Now for the giants, the Swiss Alps. These snow-capped peaks are legendary, dusted with white in winter and bursting with wildflowers in summer. Wooden chalets dot the hillsides, and the sound of cowbells fills the crisp, rosy-cheeked air. The Matterhorn stands out, a crooked pyramid, often hiding its peak in the clouds. At its base is Zermatt, a car-free town where only quiet electric vehicles are allowed, keeping the air pure. The Matterhorn is a climber's dream, but just seeing it is a thrill. Another marvel is the Jungfraujoch, the top of Europe. Ride a train through the mountains to a world of ice and snow, with glaciers and an ice palace carved into the glacier itself. The view stretches for miles, nature at its most powerful. For locals, these mountains are a source of pride and weekend adventure. For visitors, they're a dream come true. Hiking, climbing, or simply gazing at the peaks, you feel both small and inspired. The Alps are the heart of Switzerland, adventurous, peaceful, unforgettable. Every visit is a memory in the making. The mountains remind us how wonderful our planet is. Whether you seek thrills or tranquility, the Alps deliver. This is Switzerland at its most breathtaking. Let's see what's beyond the peaks. Switzerland's beauty isn't just in its mountains. Its lakes and valleys are just as stunning. Lake Geneva, one of Europe's largest, shimmers deep blue, bordered by grand houses and ancient vineyards. Glide across the water on a paddle steamer or stroll the elegant shores. The Lauterbrunnen Valley is a fairy tale come to life, with 72 waterfalls tumbling from high cliffs. Staubeck Falls, a ribbon of water turning to mist, inspired Tolkien's Rivendell. Meadows and cozy villages fill the valley floor, inviting you to linger. Lake Brienz dazzles with turquoise water coloured by glacial rock. The town of Brienz is famous for wood carving, artistry everywhere you look. A boat ride here is pure joy, surrounded by steep, wooded hills. These lakes and valleys are cherished escapes for locals, places to swim, sail, picnic and recharge. For visitors, they're natural masterpieces, offering a gentler side of Switzerland. The combination of sparkling water, green fields and towering cliffs is unforgettable. Here you can simply be, relax, reflect and soak in the peace. Switzerland's softer side is just as magical as its peaks. Every lake and valley tells its own story. Nature's perfect composition awaits. Let's discover more of Switzerland's wonders. The adventure continues. Interlaken sits between two stunning lakes, Thun and Brienz, and is Switzerland's adventure capital. Daredevils come for paragliding, canyoning and river rafting, while others enjoy gentle walks or horse-drawn carriage rides. There's something for everyone. Thrills, views and family fun. Locals are experts in outdoor adventure and welcome visitors to share their playground. A little further along Lake Geneva is Montreux, famous for its glamorous jazz festival and lakeside promenade lined with flowers and sculptures. The statue of Freddie Mercury stands by the water, a nod to the town's musical soul. Nearby, Château de Chillon rises from the lake, a real castle with towers and dungeons. Interlaken and Montreux show Switzerland's energetic, creative side. Interlaken buzzes with activity, while Montreux inspires with music and history. Locals are proud of their festivals and famous residents. For visitors, it's a taste of the high life and a walk in the footsteps of legends. The combination of stunning scenery, vibrant culture and adventure makes these towns unique. Switzerland can be calm, cool and full of rhythm. Whether you seek excitement or inspiration, you'll find it here. These towns prove Switzerland is more than just mountains. There's always a new beat to discover. Let's taste Switzerland next. Switzerland is a paradise for food lovers, especially cheese and chocolate. Swiss cheese comes in hundreds of varieties, from Gruyere to Emmentaler, each with its own flavor. Fondue is a must, melted cheese shared with friends, perfect after a day outdoors. Chocolate is a national passion, smooth, creamy, and found in every town. Visit a chocolate shop or factory, and you'll see why the Swiss are masters. Tasting is the best part. Switzerland is also a land of languages: German, French, Italian, and Romansh. Travel an hour, and the language, signs, and culture change completely. Most Swiss speak more than one language, making the country feel like several in one. These traditions, cheese, chocolate, and multilingual chatter, make Switzerland rich and unique. For locals, sharing fondue or chocolate is a cherished ritual. For visitors, it's a delicious discovery. The blend of cultures and flavors is unforgettable. Every meal is a celebration. Switzerland's details, the taste, the sound, the smell, make every visit memorable. It's a feast for the senses. Let's wrap up our adventure. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of Switzerland's wonders. From tidy cities to towering mountains, turquoise lakes to thundering waterfalls, and towns alive with music and adventure. Switzerland is crafted with care, but it's the warmth and charm that make it unforgettable. It's a place that fills your senses and your memory box. The Swiss respect nature, value tradition, and welcome visitors with quiet friendliness. Here you can feel both a guest and at home. I hope you'll see it for yourself one day. Pack a bag, grab a map, and set off on your own adventure. Find your favorite view, taste your favorite cheese, and maybe say hello in all 4 languages. Switzerland is waiting for you. A real-life storybook with pages for your own chapter. It's a cracking place for an adventure. I'm sure you'll have a smashing time. Don't forget to send a postcard.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel. And subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel. And subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel. and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.